Yes, so it's 2026 and this year we are bringing back our classic challenges.
Exactly, just like the old days. Here we're in the same old background. We are back. It's actually not just gonna be us because we have participants. Come in, everybody!
So ang mga kasama natin today is yung mga nandito sa bahay, of course. Nandito si Joshua, yan. Si Yaya Eden. Si Natalia, ang aking kapatid. Si Sayang Kongkong, ang aking kapatid. Si Melissa, ang aking girlfriend.
So the game we're gonna be playing today/tonight is called the
Say the word on beat challenge!
Thank you po!
Ban, san, ban! O, paano yun? Hindi ka nagawa. May nagawa ko.
Santa Banda Mall, Santa Banda!
Let's go. So we're gonna do the say the word on the beat challenge. Pero, merong
Punishment!
merong
Cash prize!
So guys, ang mga challenge natin today ay merong mga levels. Ang first level ay very easy.
Easy, average, hard, very hard.
So guys, ready na ba kayo? Ready na!
First round, very easy. At ang price for this round, 100 pesos. Bun, cup, 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 cup. Bun, cup, cup, bun, cup, cup. Fire, 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 jar, 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 jar. Fire, fire, jar, jar, fire, fire, jar, jar.
Last round.
Bun, cup, fire, jar, bun, cup, fire, jar.
Hey! Dahil dyan, meron kang...
Car, jar, 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 jar. Car, jar, jar, car, jar, jar. Jar, jar, car, jar, jar. Car, jar, jar, jar,
Last round.
Car, jar, jar.
Hey! Dahil dyan, meron kang... It's your boy's turn. San! Ban! San! Ban!
Like 100. Paikot-ikot kasi. Rat. Ay, di pa game yun? Rat. Ay, mouse! Ulit. Kaya nga may words na eh. Ay, di ko dapat nga walang words eh.
Saba?
Mouse, house. Mouse, house. House, mouse, house. Mouse, mouse.
Last round.
Mouse, house, mouse.
Dahil dyan, meron kang...
Thank you! Kaya ko ba yan?
Luck ya?
Kom. Ano? Bam. Kom. Bam. Bam.
Okay. Trial lang yan para kay Yaya pagbigyan. Isa pa, Yaya. Gets mo naman na. Dapat nasa beat ka. Go!
Kom.
Sama.
1, 2, 3,
Go!
Bam.
Yun. Ayan ha. Ayan.
1, 2, 3, go! Kom. Bam.
Ayan, next.
bam bam kom kom bam bam kom kom. Kaya kom bam kom bam kom bam kom bam.
Yan. Dahil ginawa niya, tinry niya yung best niya, meron siyang 100 pesos.
Yay! Two. Ba't walang words? Zero. Six. Hoy! 2026. Laro yan na.
100.
1 2 2 2 2 1 1 2 2 1 1 2 2 3 3 3 3 4 4 4 4 3 3 4 4 3 3 4 4
Alright, last round.
1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4
Alright. So, kakatapos lang ng ating very easy round. So, parang giveaway round lang natin yon. Actually, kahit giveaway round, natalo pa rin ako. Ewan ko na lang. So, now, let's go on to the second level, which is the easy.
200 pesos for this one.
Ang punishment for level 2 ay mystery shot. Galing mo.
Math, pen. Math, pen, math. Rice, 10. Rice, 10, rice. Math, pen, rice, 10, math, pen, rice, 10. 200 pesos for me, thank you.
Kailangan ko na makuha to. Book, box. Book.
Ayan, talikod ka muna. Magsabi ka ng numbers 1 to 6.
6.
Okay, sabi niya 6, ito yung pang 6, guys.
Ano?
Go!
Ano to,
3, 2,
patis?
1, shot!
Hindi to masama, ah.
Hindi.
Ay, 3, 2, 1.
Uy,
Ano yan?
don't spit it.
Swallow it.
What?
Swallow.
No, you're
Just swallow it. Ew!
What the hell?
Ah, di ba may patis na hininga ko niya? Di ba may mga?
Ayun.
Ayang.
Bed. Red. Bed. Red. 200 pesos.
Ano, madali masyado?
Oh, yeah!
Practice.
Pie. Go.
Fly.
Yan. Ingat pa. Go. Fly.
Parang sci-fi eh. Tayo na.
Dapat pag ground ni Yaya off yung beat. Okay, dahil dyan, meron kang 200 pesos.
Thank you. Fall, 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 fall. Wall, 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 wall. Fall, 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 wall, 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 wall. Fall, fall, wall, wall, fall.
Mali ka.
Sabay lang tayo.
Right, dahil dyan, meron kang mystery shot. Choose a number 1 to 5.
4.
Okay, number 4. Oh, okay.
Shot.
Ano kaya yan?
That's gross.
What is it, dog?
Evap. Sarap kaya ng
Sarap.
lactose intolerant ako.
Uy, iba na yung tunog.
Bet, 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 bet. B, 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 B. B, 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 B. Bet, 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 bet.
Parang magrarap pa.
Bet, bet, bet. B. Bet, bet. B, bet, B, bet, B, bet, B, bet.
Bakit 4 lang?
O, paano yun? Hindi ka nagawa.
Uy, nagawa ko.
Ay!
Nagawa ko kahit isa pa.
Tama ba?
Isa pa eh.
Tama ba?
Tama yun. Humina lang eh.
So, paano humina? Paano humina?
Humina lang yung boses ko eh.
Paano?
Ay, B, bet, B, bet.
200 pesos. For this round, round 3, average 300 pesos.
And, ang punishment ay harina sa mukha. Ang gagawin natin dito, pagka kamaling-kamali, gano'n kaagad, okay?
On a glass base.
Go!
Door, fish, 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 door. Door, fish, fish, door, fish, fish.
Enough.
Fox, dog. Fox, dog. Door, fish, fox, dog.
Dahil dyan, meron kang
300 pesos.
Wow!
Bus, chair, bus. Bus, chair, bus, chair. Wall, bag.
Oo.
Wall, bag, wall, bag. Bus, chair, wall, bag.
Mali ka.
Bakit may accent lang? Bag. 300 pesos! Thank you.
Hot, hen. Hot, hen. Hog, han. Hog, han. Hot, hen, han, hog. First prize ko. 300.
Kakabahan ako, guys.
Ito, dapat malangyan to sa mukha. Uloy nyo.
Bawal mang gulaw.
Oy!
Bug. Dug.
Sophie. Ay, si Clark.
Bug. Dug. Uy, wag bug. Bug. Bug.
Madali pa rin.
At dahil dyan, 3. Mahirap na, pahirap.
Ito na, si Aya na. Good luck.
Ice, rice. Yan.
Huwag mo sabayan, si Aya. Gusto makinig.
Ice, rice.
Dahil dyan, meron ka!
Kulang.
Boat. Boat.
Madali pa rin.
Boat. Basta may accent pala, okay?
Thank you.
Basta pagka hindi mo nasabi, wala na.
Rain, 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 rain.
Go away.
Train, 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 train. Rain, 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 train, 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 train. Bubulol ako. Rain, rain, train, 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 rain, rain. Rain, train, rain, train, rain, train, rain, train. Bubulol ako.
Paano yan, nabulol?
Wala.
Ay, nabulol.
Basher ko.
Ikaw nagsabi, nabulol ka eh.
Mabubulol pa lang.
Alright guys, so nasa level 4 na tayo, which is the hard level. And this round, ang punishment ay find the face. Tapos ang cash prize dito ay
100.
500 pesos. So,
I'm
good
ready.
luck.
Let's do it. Oh my god.
Bilis na!
Pear, pen, pear. Huh? Go!
Bilis!
Wood, wood, wall, wall, wood, wood, wall, wall. Santa, Santa, panda, panda, Santa, Santa, panda, panda. Wood, wood, wall, wall, Santa, Santa, panda, panda. Wood, wall, Santa, panda, wood, wall, Santa, panda.
Hoy!
Wood, Santa, panda, wall, Santa, panda. Kuya, bakit kasi yun?
Kamali ka! Kamali!
Yari ko talaga sa akin. Kotse.
Car, book, car, book. Book, car, book.
Cupcake.
Cake, cut, cake. Cut, cake.
Car, book, cupcake.
Car, book, cake, cut, cake, book, car. 500 pesos.
Hand, hat. Hat.
Kamali na.
Mat, meat, mat.
Ang nagkamali na kanina.
Meat, mat. Hand, hat, mat, meat, mat, hat. Thank you po. Basta mga basher.
Oh, yeah, ayan na. Ayan na si Aya.
Pen. Hen. Box, book. Pen, hen, box, book. Pen, hen, box, book. Pen, box, book, hen,
Nice try. Let's go, babe.
Bin, hen.
Benbon.
Bin, hen.
Binte.
Bin, hen. Binti mo.
Pen.
Pen.
Benten. Benten. Bintin.
Bin, hen, pen. Thank you very much.
Oh, bilis.
Dog pan.
Wow!
Pandog.
Prod, hen, prod.
Oh. Oh.
Dog pan, prod, hen.
Ah. Ito na, malapit ka na.
Dog pan, prod, hen.
Yan na, bro.
Dog prod, hen, pan, dog prod.
Ah, kamali.
Dog yun, dog.
Bob, sabi mo.
Dog.
Replay.
Dog prod, hen, pan.
Bog! Ayan yung bog. Ayan na, nabog ka. Alright guys, and now nandito na tayo sa last level and last round. So this level is very hard and ang cash prize dito is 1,000 pesos. And the punishment for this round ay cup of water sa mukha. Another thing is, habang sinasabi mo yung mga salita, meron kang marshmallow. Okay, good luck. 3.
Go, 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 go. Goat, 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 goat. Goat, 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 goat.
Oh, ayan. Dapat sa mukha. Alia, look here. Look at the camera and close your eyes. Ooh. Hype.
King, 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 ring, 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 ring.
Ayan na. Ano yun?
Ring, 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 king, king, ring, wing.
Oh. Ano yun? Jeez.
Ring, ring, swing, swing, string, swing, swing, king.
Ay.
Ring, string, spring, wing, wing, swing, swing,
Ayan
swing.
na, iba na. Hindi na to si Saya. Hindi na
Favoritism.
Wool, cool. Stool, wool. Ano yan? Wrench, wool, Ayan! Ang dami! Ano yun? Nakala ko kapap lang ano. Ano ba yun? Wrench?
Wala namang
Wool, wrench, wool. Hindi eh.
Ano ba sabi niya?
Baka tool.
Tool. Ito kasi nagsabing wrench eh.
Bakit? Pag tinignan mo, ano yan? Wrench, diba?
Stream, 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 stream. Stream, 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 beam, stream.
Ayan na! Nagkamali na!
Steam, 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 steam,
Ayan!
steam, steam.
Hoy!
Di pa.
Hoy!
Steam, 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 steam.
Hala!
Dream, steam, beam, team, dream, stream, team.
Mali ka! Mali ka!
Tama ako!
Go, ya!
Go.
Skate, 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 and
Go.
skate, 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 skate. Great.
Pag ginulo ka, sampalin mo, ha?
Go!
Pink, 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 wink, 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 wink.
Ano yan?
Wink, pink, pink, drink, wink, pink, drink, drink.
Ano?
Sampalin mo!
Nagkamali!
Sampalin mo!
Ano yan?
Cling, cling, cling.
Stay safe! Stay safe!
Kaya niya ito.
Hindi ka nabasa? Ano yun? 1, 2, 3. Alright! Clock! Ano yan? Clock!
Duck.
Ayun na. Sabi na! Ang kulit
Nagkamali
ka,
na.
nagkamali na.
Nagkamali na raw na.
Nagkamali na.
Okay, so guys, nice try. Sana nag-enjoy kayo kahit meron mga na-punishment sa inyo. Congrats sa mga nanalo.
Ay, tagal ko na hindi na pa nakikita sa vlog eh.
Mama, say hi.
Ano ka? Yan na!